Hello teachers, this is a video, an instructional video to show you guys how we are going to connect our iPads to our server in Dui Mas International School. So I've installed an application called File Explorer in all the iPads that is owned by our school. Now I'm going to swipe and we should see an application called File Explorer. Tap on that. Now, the first thing we need to do is to make sure there is a connection from our iPad to a server. So we're going to do that by tapping the plus icon on the top left corner there. And you should see a bunch of stuff appearing. What we're going to do is tap on Windows because our server is running on Windows platform. Now it's going to ask us for some details before we can actually connect to a server. So the first thing we need to do is to tell it where to connect to. So the first thing we're going to do is hostname/IP. We're going to fill that in. Okay, just write in server, and we're going to need a bunch of credentials. So the username will be iPad, and password will be iPad as well. Easy. Tap done. Tap save, and you should see a server appearing on your left hand side there. Now let's make sure that the connection is active. Okay, I've tapped on server and I see a list of this stuff here. Okay, the only folder that you guys are supposed to use is called iPad Share. Any other folders you would not have any form of permission to access. Okay, so tap on iPad Share, and I've conveniently arranged everything according to year. Tap on 2016, and then I've also created a bunch of folders for the different classes. Okay, now for convenience sake, I'm going to tap on year 1. Okay, now I've already created one folder. Unfortunately, for security reasons, we cannot delete any folders from the iPad. So any form of deletion of folders, you will have to inform me or Chung Han, and we will have to go into the server and delete them. However, you can actually create folders from the iPad itself. Okay. Now to create a folder, you should see a plus button or icon on the bottom right corner. So I'm going to tap on that, and a new folder will appear. So I'm going to create another new class. I'm going to call this class 1 Durian. I've created a folder inside the server already. Now, I'm going to go into 1 Durian. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a few things. Okay. Now, within File Explorer itself, we can upload mostly pictures. So, for example, in here, I've already taken a photograph or a screenshot to be exact. So, it's already stored in my photo library. So, I tapped on photo library and I will see my camera roll. And then all I have to do is just, if I want to select any particular picture, tap on edit, select the picture that I want, then on the bottom right corner, tap copy to, then it's going to ask me where do I want to copy the files into. So I'm going to choose server. It will again ask me where exactly do I want to save it. So obviously I can only save it in iPad Share. So I'm going to save this copy of this screenshot in 1 Durian. Tap save, and that's it. There will be a copy of that photograph in there. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use File Explorer in another application. So the example application I'm going to use to demonstrate this is using Google Docs. So I'm going to tap on Google Docs, and I've already created a document called File Explorer Test. I'm going to tap on that, and we are going to export this, or we're going to make a copy of this and put it into our server, which will be the folder that we've created just now called 1 Durian. So I'm going to tap on the options icon at the top right corner, and what we should see will be something called share and export. So I'm going to tap on that. Now, when you tap on that, you should see several options. The option for us to use to make a copy in our server will be send a copy. I'm going to tap on that. It's going to ask me right now what sort of format do I want this in. If you want to make sure that's editable on a PC or a computer, make sure that you select Word. If you don't want it to be editable, just use PDF. So for this case here, we're going to select Word. Click OK. And it's going to do a conversion. Once the conversion has been completed, you should see this menu appear. And I'm just going to swipe. And now I should see copy to File Explorer. I'm going to tap that. Okay. File Explorer is going to appear. And it's going to ask me where am I going to save it to. So I'm going to select Server. I'm going to select my iPad share folder again. Heading towards 2016. Going into year 1. And into 1 Durian. And I'm going to save it there. So as you can see, the file has been saved inside our servers. Okay. Now each time, if you need to access that file from any other iPad, you can. Thank you.